Hello friends, I'm Dr. Jagdeep Singh. Today we are going to learn about retail inventory management. So first we need to understand different kind of inventory and what is inventory, right? So what we need to understand what is inventory. So inventory refers to the goods and material held by the business for the purpose of resale or use in the production of goods or finished products. Inventory represents the assets that a company intends to sell to generate revenue or the raw materials and work in progress items or inventory used in the production process. It is categorized as current asset on company's balance sheet. It can be tangible or intangible. Tangible basically physical inventory, what we can touch and feel, right? So this is how. Inventory refers to all the items, goods, merchandise, and materials held by a business for selling in the market to earn profit. So, in nutshell, we can say this is the definition of inventory. Now, we need to understand type of inventory in retail sector. So, first one, of course, it is raw material inventory. By the way, this is physical inventory or tangible inventory. So we are going to learn about the types of inventory, basically physical inventory. So first one is raw material inventory, whatever material which is required for production purposes, right? Or making the finished good, it is used in production. That is what it is known as raw material. Second is finished goods or finished product inventory. So this is already built and whatever we can directly sell in the market and get profit, right? So this is finished good product. Maybe you can say a water bottle or maybe mobile phone or maybe ceiling fan, table fan, whatever it is. So it is finished product, right? Or finished goods. Work in progress inventory. WIP basically known as work in progress inventory. So this kind of inventory, that raw material is purchased by maybe one supplier and they will make intermediaries product which is not yet finished, but still it can be utilized for production or assembly purposes. Then next one is transit inventory which is in transit on the wheel. So that is known as transit inventory. Fifth one, buffer inventory, or maybe this is basically extra inventory which we can keep to anticipate demand maybe during festival season or any other seasonal products, right? So this is so we need to have some buffer stock, buffer inventory so that we can maybe sell during the demand. Anticipation inventory. Anticipation basically what we are going to anticipate what is demand going to happen or demand is going to come. So we need to have that kind of inventory. MRO stands for maintenance, repair, and operating supply inventory. So that is utilized for maybe after sale service and also for machinery and other maintenance purposes, right? Repair or maintenance or operations, operating supply. Then eighth kind of inventory is cycle inventory. Cycle inventory is also very, very important. Why? Because in retail sector, it is very, very important. Why? Because based on the cycle stock or cycle inventory only, we can replenish, right? Now, next, we need to learn about a retail inventory management process. So the retail inventory management process refers to the structured set of activities that retailers follow to plan, purchase, store, track, and control product inventory efficiently from suppliers to final product or final sale. Its main objective is to ensure that the right amount of inventory is available to meet customer demand while minimizing costs related to holding or maybe managing inventory. Now, it is a continuous cycle of planning, ordering, receiving, storing, tracking, and restocking. In short, we can say poster. This is just a code, right, to understand or memorize. Okay, so this is how you need to learn. So planning, ordering, receiving, storing, tracking, and restocking goods to meet customer demand efficiently. Balancing having enough stock means avoiding stock outs, while not having too much means avoiding overstock. Key state Key stages include forecasting demand, purchasing from suppliers, inspecting and stocking incoming products, selling through POS system, basically point of sale systems. You can see, you can go to any retail outlets. They will have point of sales, so you can bring that all material what you are going to purchase. So you can do the billing there. So that billing counters are known as point of sale systems, and using data to analyze performance and replenish stock. Now, the retail inventory management process one by one. So first step is demand forecasting and planning. We have to do this demand forecasting and planning, very, very important. Second is inventory classification and assortment planning. Third one is procurement and replenishment. Fourth one is receiving and quality inspection. Fifth one, storage and warehousing. Sixth one is inventory tracking and visibility. Seventh one, allocation and distribution. And eighth one, sales returns and reverse logistics. Ninth one is performance measurement and control, basically key performance indicators. And 10th one, that is continuous improvement and optimization. Thank you very much.